what's up guys, welcome to Screen Technicals. My name is Chinmay and I'm very much happier guys because I'm coming with a new series of HTML and CSS full course. In this course we will learn what is HTML, how to use HTML, what is CSS and how to apply CSS to HTML. Guys, before we start the video, have you ever visited any website, for example facebook.com? You must have. In facebook.com, whatever the text you are seeing and whatever the designs, maybe the space and anything, whatever you are seeing is actually HTML and CSS. So guys, what is HTML? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, it is actually the skeleton part, okay guys, and the CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. It is the designing part. You can see that is the makeup part. Okay, so using CSS you can make your HTML code more attractive and more presentative. Okay, so guys, if you want to become a web developer or you want to become a software engineer, then you must learn HTML and CSS and JavaScript. But in the whole series we are not going to discuss about JavaScript. We will later on discuss about that. Okay, and after this series we will come with a series of Bootstrap. So I'm not going to that. I'm only focusing on HTML and CSS. Okay, so guys, before I end this video, I want to tell you that if you have any queries or any doubts about HTML and CSS before starting this series, then you can comment me. Okay, and guys, if you have seen this video to this part, then please subscribe, like to my channel. And in the next video we will discuss about what is the requirement that we need for writing HTML and CSS. So see you guys in the next video, and I will see you next time.